Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Telegram desktop and secure chats, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Search for Telegram desktop download. Click on the official Telegram website link. On the home page, locate the apps section. Select Telegram for desktop from the options available. You will be redirected to the download page. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. Click on the download button to initiate the process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Telegram desktop. After the installation, launch the application. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Select your country code from the drop-down menu. Input your phone number and click Next. You will receive a confirmation code via SMS. Enter the code into the application. Once verified, you will have access to your Telegram account. Now, let's secure your chats. Open the settings by clicking on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Settings from the menu. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security to access more options. Locate two-step verification and click on it. Enable two-step verification for added security. Follow the prompts to create a password. This password will be required when logging in from a new device. Next, scroll to Secret Chats. Click on Secret Chats for more secure communication options. To start a secret chat, click on the pencil icon in the top right corner. Select the contact you want to chat with securely. Choose Start Secret Chat from the menu that appears. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.